Hello and welcome to this short tutorial video on how to make a mouse pincushion. I'm making my little mouse out of felt. I've got the base, the two sides, the tail, the large and the small ear sections. I'm going to start off by sewing her two side pieces together. Let's pop them right sides together and pin all the way around that outer curve. Nice and easy with felt because it doesn't slide about. So pins all the way around. The base there, making sure it lines up. Let's line up and pin the little pointy nose section. And I think one more just there, and then we'll sew all the way around the outside. So we've got that, and we're going to attach the base and the tail. So at the rounded tail end, we're going to pop the tail inside and line it up with the seam. So this is the rounded tail end, and we're going to place the rounded end of the bottom, the base. I'll add a little notch here so that you can know which bit to line up with the seam. Place the tail in between the base and the sides and pin it all the way around, lining up the nose neatly, all the way around the outside, like that. There we go. If you have a little pucker like this, you just take your pin back out and line it up properly. Take the time. And then, leaving this section here open, we'll sew all the way around the rest of the outside, to the nose, around the bottom to there, and leave that bit open, and then turn it right sides out. Let's make an ear now. A large and a small section, and lay the small piece over the top, lined up with the bottom so that you get a crescent shape. And then we'll give it a little shape by folding it over where we lined it up at the bottom. That's the bit we're going to attach to the head of the mouse, that little bottom section. So we'll place a few stitches there to give it that nice shape. And once that's done, we're going to find its position on the head. And as I say, this bottom section is the bit we're going to sew down. So I'll place a bobblehead pin in there. Just a few stitches on that little gathered section that we've done to attach it to the head is all you need. I am really rushing through this to get it done for you, just as a little extra. This is also a little thank you to my best friend Mazza, who made me my first one of these. So once you're happy with the positioning, just sew those down with a few stitches and you've got a completed mouse. It's got a little bit of a round belly. If your mouse gets a round belly, you can actually put a stitch underneath. So take a stitch from the bottom all the way up to the top and tie it off. Then add a couple of little pins and you've got your completed little Mazza mouse. That concludes our tutorial video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please subscribe. We'd love your feedback and a like. There are more videos coming soon.